Look at this, every row you see here is a paid affiliate commission, and all of these sales came through the link under one product video I created with AI. The best part is people are still finding the video through YouTube search, so it continues bringing in views, YouTube revenue, and affiliate sales. Today, I'll show you exactly how I did it from scratch using Seedance 2.5. Alright, let's get into it. The first step is finding the right product for your niche. So before we start searching for products, make sure you know which niche you want to focus on. I recommend choosing something you already understand or genuinely enjoy. You can choose one from the list on screen or go with any other niche you prefer. For this video, I'm choosing kitchen gadgets. There are always new products to cover, people actively search for them, and most of them are easy to demonstrate visually. Once you know your niche, the next thing is finding the exact products to promote. This part is important because we don't want to choose products randomly. We want products people are already searching for, asking questions about, and potentially interested in buying. So let me show you the easiest way I've found to do this. So head over to YouTube and search for your niche. Since I chose kitchen gadgets, I'll search for phrases like kitchen gadgets you need. Look for videos with solid views and recent comments. That's a good sign people are still interested in the topic. Open the video, check the description, and you'll normally find a full list of the products featured in it. The creator has basically done the first part of the research for us. Copy the product names and links, head over to Claude and paste everything there. Just remember, these links are only for research. Once we select the product we want to promote, we'll generate our own affiliate link. Next, go back to the video, copy the comments, and paste them directly underneath the product links. Now Claude has everything it needs, the products featured in the video, and the comments showing which ones caught the audience's attention. So the research part is ready. I've also prepared a prompt that does the heavy lifting for you. You'll find it in the description. Paste it above everything and hit generate. Claude will analyze the information and give us 10 product opportunities ranked by audience interest, along with the correct product names and the research links we provided. So instead of choosing a random gadget and hoping for the best, we're using real audience reactions to make a smarter decision. Once we've selected a product from the list, we can move to the next step, creating a consistent AI presenter to promote it. For this, we're going to use Dreamina. If you haven't used it before, Dreamina is an AI creative platform that gives you access to image and video generation models in one place. That makes this workflow much easier because we don't need one tool for the character and another tool for the product video. We're going to use GPT Image 2 to create our consistent AI presenter, and then we'll use Seedance 2.5 to turn that character and our product images into a complete product demonstration. So let's start by creating the presenter. If you want to follow along, I've placed the exact Dreamina website link in the description. Open the link, create an account, and you'll be taken to this page. From here, click AI Agent, then select AI Image. Next, open the Image Model menu. Dreamina gives us several image models to choose from, but for this character, I'm going to use GPT Image 2 because it can create the realistic look I want. For the aspect ratio, I'll choose 1:1. I'll also generate 4 variations so we have multiple options to compare instead of relying on only one result. Once those settings are ready, copy the character creation prompt I've placed in the description, paste it into the prompt section, and hit generate. And here we go. Dreamina has created 4 different character options. Each one includes a complete reference sheet with front, back, side, and close-up views, along with the realistic kitchen environment we asked for. That gives us exactly what we need for the next step. Out of these 4 options, I like this one the most, so this is the character I'm going to use as the consistent presenter for the video. Now that our presenter is locked in, it's time to create the part that can actually send viewers to our affiliate link, the product video. And for this, we're using Seedance 2.5. If this is your first time using Seedance 2.5, it's basically the newest video model inside Dreamina. What makes it useful is that you're not limited to typing a prompt, you can also give it images, videos, and audio to work with. It can generate clips up to 30 seconds long with the sound already synced. You can add up to 50 references, which is probably more than you'll need, but it gives the model enough information to keep your presenter and product looking consistent between shots. There's also Smart Edit, which is really handy. If most of your video looks good, but one part is wrong, you can fix that specific section without throwing away the entire result and starting over. Now, let's make the actual video. Inside Dreamina, click AI Agent, choose AI Video, and select Seedance 2.5 as the model. I'm setting the aspect ratio to 16:9 because this is for a regular YouTube video, and I'll set the duration to 30 seconds. Once that's done, just leave this page open for a moment and jump over to Claude. I've added a prompt in the description, so copy that prompt and paste it into Claude. Then open the product list we created earlier and open the first product Claude gave us. Since Claude included the Amazon link, it should take you directly to the product page. From there, copy both the product title and the product description, then paste them into Claude underneath the prompt. Now hit generate. Claude will handle the difficult part for you. It'll write the dialogue, work out the timing, and plan the entire 30-second video, shot by shot. Once it's finished, copy the complete prompt and head back to Dreamina. Paste it into the prompt box, then drag in the character you created earlier and add it as the first reference. Next, go back to the Amazon product page, right-click the main product image and copy it. Return to Dreamina and paste that image in as your second reference. Inside the prompt, click the @ symbol and select your character reference. I'm setting the character as image 1 because that's how Claude identifies the presenter in the prompt. Next, click the @ symbol again, select the product reference and set it as image 2. Once both references are tagged correctly, hit generate. Alright, Dreamina is working on the first clip. While we wait, here's the plan for the full video. I'm keeping it simple. The final video will have a short intro, 5 or 6 product videos, and an outro. I'm not making the intro yet because I want to show you how to create one complete product video first. Once you understand this part, the rest is basically the same process. Swap the product details, change the image, and generate the next one. After this, you'll follow the same steps for product 2, product 3, and keep going until all your product clips are ready. Okay, it looks like Dreamina is done. Let's see how our first product video turned out.
The first product I'm testing from my Amazon kitchen list is the 8-quart Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. 7 appliances in one, stainless steel. I'm just doing chicken and rice. Saute right in the pot, then lid on, pressure cook. Okay, that's actually really good. Falls right apart, 10 out of 10. It's linked below.
Okay, I wasn't expecting it to come out this clean. The presenter looks consistent, the product stays accurate between shots, and it fits the full demonstration into 30 seconds without feeling rushed. That's a solid first product video. Now let's create product 2. The steps are exactly the same, so I'll move through this one a little faster. Open the second product Claude gave you, copy its information, generate the new video prompt. Now take the new prompt from Claude and paste it into Dreamina. Your presenter stays exactly the same. All you're changing is the product image. Add the new Amazon product, hit generate, and let Dreamina handle the rest. Okay, the second video is finished. Let's see how it came out.
Next up from my Amazon kitchen list, the KitchenLater 7-quart bowl lift stand mixer. It's scraping the bowl for me, I'm not touching it. And this, half speed, for blueberries, egg whites, anything you'd fold. Not one of them broke, look at that. It'll do 13 dozen cookies too, but this is the part that sold me.
Okay, this second video surprised me even more, and it wasn't just the character consistency, it was the physics. Seedance understood how this mixer is actually supposed to work. The bowl lifts into position, the attachment moves naturally through the ingredients, and the mixer has the right sense of weight while it's running. Nothing floats, clips through the bowl, or randomly changes shape. Even the smaller product details, like the numbered speed controls, stay accurate throughout the video. For a complete 30-second AI-generated product demonstration, that's honestly pretty wild. But let's say I like this video and only want to change one thing. This product comes in different colors on Amazon. And instead of the cream version, I want to use the black one. I don't need to regenerate the entire video. From here, I'll select Edit Video, choose the brush tool underneath the video, and paint over the product to mark the area I want to change. Once the product is selected, I'll click Add to Chat. Then I'll go back to Amazon, copy the image of the black version, and add it to the chat as my reference. I want Dreamina to replace the cream-colored mixer with the black version for my reference, while keeping the rest of the video exactly the same. Once everything is ready, I'll hit generate, and there we go. The product is now black, but the presenter, movement, and rest of the video are still the same. This is probably one of my favorite Seedance features because before Smart Edit, you would have to regenerate the entire clip and risk losing everything that already looked good. Here, you can fix only the part that needs changing. You also have options to extend the video, generate a soundtrack, or create a completely different version if you don't like the original result. Once you're happy with the clip, continue using the same process for products 3, 4, 5, and 6. Don't overcomplicate it. The workflow stays the same. You're only changing the product information, prompt, and reference image. Once all the product clips are ready, now you just need the two pieces that hold everything together, the hook at the beginning and the outro at the end. It's actually better to make these last because now you know exactly what footage you have and what you can tease in the intro. Go back to the same Claude chat you've been using. I've added the hook prompt to the description, so copy it, paste it into Claude, and hit generate. Claude already knows your niche and the products you selected, so it'll write the complete 30-second intro and tell you exactly where each reference image should go. Once Claude finishes, copy the full prompt and head back to Dreamina. Paste it into Seedance 2.5. Remember when I said Seedance can take up to 50 references? This is the part where that really comes in handy. Add your presenter first, then bring in each product you want to feature in the intro. This gives Seedance a clear reference for everything it needs to show. It also works really well for affiliate videos because viewers immediately see all the products coming up, which gives them a reason to keep watching. Once everything is added, quickly check the image order and hit generate. Alright, it's finished. And honestly, this came out really good. Take a look.
Okay, 5 things on this counter completely changed how I cook. All from Amazon, all 5 stayed. Mixer, ice cream maker, espresso, air fryer, blender. And I'm not just showing them to you, I'm using every single one. Wings, espresso, real ice cream, all of it today. All right, let's go. Oh, no, sorry. Mwah! Starting on the left.
See that little fun moment at the end? It makes the presenter feel much more natural and gives you a smooth transition into the first product. The only thing left to create is the outro. Grab the outro prompt from the description and use it to generate a short ending where the presenter lets viewers know that all the products are linked below. All right, the outro is ready. Here's how it turned out.
Okay, that's all 5. Everything's linked below, same order I showed them. Honestly, the one I didn't expect to love was the air fryer. So what should I test next? Tell me in the comments. I actually read them. All right, I'm gonna go clean all this.
The product links are clear, and that final question gives viewers a reason to leave a comment. At this point, every clip you need is ready. The next step is combining them into one complete video. Head over to Assets and select all the videos you just created. From here, you can send everything directly to CapCut, which is probably the easiest option. If you prefer using another editor, just click Download. Dreamina will put all the clips into a zip file. Once it's downloaded, open the file, extract the clips, and import them into whichever editor you use. I'm using CapCut because it's simple and beginner-friendly, but the process is pretty much the same everywhere. Start with the hook, add your product videos in the correct order, and place the outro at the end. Make any final edits you want, then export the finished video. And just like that, your complete product video is ready to upload. Now you just need to get it onto YouTube. Go ahead and open YouTube Studio. If you don't have a channel yet, no worries, I've linked my full channel setup video in the description. Watch that first, create your channel, and then come back here. Once you're inside YouTube Studio, click Create, choose Upload Videos, and select the final video you exported from CapCut. So while that's uploading, let's prepare everything else. You still need a title, description, affiliate links, keywords, and thumbnail. I've already created one final Claude prompt for you, and you'll find it in the description. But before you paste it into Claude, you need to add your affiliate links. Alright, open the first product on Amazon and make sure you're signed into your Amazon Associates account. At the top of the page, you'll see SiteStripe. Click Get Link and copy your affiliate link. Now go back to the prompt and paste the product name together with its link inside the product section. Then just repeat that for the rest of the products. Open product 2, copy its affiliate link, and add it to the prompt. Keep going until every product has the correct link beside it. Okay, once they're all added, copy the complete prompt, paste it into Claude, and hit generate. Claude will give you 5 title ideas, a complete description with all your affiliate links, relevant keywords, and a separate prompt for your thumbnail. So first, look through the titles and choose the one you'd actually click on. Copy it and paste it into the title box on YouTube. Next, copy the description and paste that underneath. Now, before you move on, take a minute and test every product link. Just click each one and make sure it opens the correct Amazon page. You don't want someone clicking on one product and landing on something completely different. And make sure this disclosure appears clearly. Alright, now let's create the thumbnail. Copy the thumbnail prompt Claude gave you and head back to Dreamina. Switch to AI image, choose Imagen 5 Pro, and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Paste the thumbnail prompt into the prompt box, then add your presenter as a reference. You can also add 1 or 2 of your strongest product images. I wouldn't add all 5 because the thumbnail could become too crowded. Once everything is ready, hit generate. Okay, here are the results. Choose the thumbnail that grabs your attention and still looks clear when it's small, because most viewers will see it on their phones. Download your favorite one, head back to YouTube, and upload it as your thumbnail. Okay, look at that thumbnail. It's so clean, even when it's small. Next, YouTube will ask whether the video contains realistic AI-generated or altered content. Since these scenes were created with AI and look realistic, select yes. It's better to be transparent, and this disclosure alone doesn't automatically affect your views or monetization eligibility. Now go back to Claude, copy the keywords it created and paste them into the tags section. Only use keywords that actually match your video. Random popular tags won't help. Alright, the final step is scheduling the upload. If your channel already has viewers, check YouTube Analytics to audience and see when they're normally online. If your channel is new and you don't have that data yet, try scheduling your long-form video between 9 o'clock and 11 a.m. Eastern Time. Perfect, everything is set. Now YouTube will publish your video automatically when the scheduled time arrives. Like you saw at the beginning, this method has real potential if you choose good products and keep showing up. And the nice thing is, you're not relying on only one way to make money. You can earn commissions when someone buys through your affiliate links. As your channel grows, brands might also reach out and pay you to feature their products. Then, once you qualify for YouTube monetization, the videos themselves can start earning from views as well. So one video can eventually bring you affiliate income, sponsorship opportunities, and YouTube revenue. Your first attempt probably won't be perfect. Mine wasn't either. But once you've made one, the next one feels so much easier. You know where everything is, your prompts get better, and editing doesn't take as long. I also made this example pretty quickly because I wanted to fit the whole process into one video. If you take a little more time choosing your products and working on each scene, you can create something much better than this. And if you want me to show you a different UGC affiliate strategy for Instagram, comment UGC below. If enough of you want it, I'll make that video next. Honestly, nothing would make me happier than seeing you take this and succeed with it. May God guide you on your journey. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.